Welcome to today's edition of your favorite business show, the Vanguard Business Live. And I think I have some good information to pass on today concerning those that require some funding for their business, external funding for their business. Uh, we have the Development Bank of Nigeria reporting that that is fundraising for on lending to small businesses was successful. They went to the market to bond market to raise 100 billion naira for on lending to small businesses, and they say that they were successful, oversubscribed by about 15%, meaning that they got about 115 billion naira. I don't know whether they are going to take the entire amount, but they say that 23 billion, that's 23% of the initial inflow from that bond offer is now available for small businesses that would need funding, such external funding. And now it's important that you know what the Development Bank of Nigeria is all about. But the numbers they have turned out, they have done over how many millions? Well, I don't know the number of exactly now, but they have given loans for over 600 billion naira so far. And then you have millions of Nigerians, small businesses that have benefited. It means that a whole lot of people know about the Development Bank of Nigeria. But in case you do not know, because I believe that out there, whenever small businesses claim that the access to funding is a major setback to growth in the small businesses segment, SME segment, I wonder who are those people that don't have access when there's money everywhere, especially in the financial system. And then those that try to patronize the digital loan apps and then have their financial life, business life complicated, if not endangered to the point of extinction. I wonder when they have better opportunities and windows out there. So Development Bank of Nigeria, you just walk into no individual business goes to the Development Bank of Nigeria directly. You go through commercial banks, walk into your bank and tell them that you need funding from the DBN, Development Bank of Nigeria's window or facilities, and they will put you through the processes you go through. And interest rate is very, very attractive. In fact, as at last month, the average was about 24%. I mean, that's what you cannot get practically in any bank, direct bank loan or any other window of funding out there. And then the payment terms are also very liberal, So you need to approach your bank and make some inquiries and begin to work your business profile to meet their requirement. That's not even stringent by what a lot of people say concerning bank loans. So I believe that at current interest rate of over the inflation rate, inflation is trending to 23%. There's no bank that is going to give you loan below that. In fact, the markup rate of about 7 percentage point is the minimum. So the development bank loan remains the best option for any small business to get external funding. We'll give you more information on this in the next episode of our show. Until then, remain with Vanguard Life for information across all segments and sectors of the society of Nigeria and the world.